What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Go. You already know, on today in Nick Kicks we have another unboxing. This one's coming from Adidas. It took a really long time to get here, but I'm really excited to see what these look like in hand. We won these from the Adidas app raffle for the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfil, however you say it. Crazy name, but it's a pretty dope colorway I've seen from other videos and stuff. But yeah, this took a really long time to get here, about a week and a half or so, which is not the best shipping, but I mean, we still got them in hand, so it's a dub. But yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang, and let's get right into it. So we didn't hit on Yeezy supply, which was really surprising. But we'll take our Adidas app raffle. This is going to be a size 11 that we hit. Here we go. One more. Alright, we should be able to open it up. Yep. Box looks to be in good condition. For the most part, oh, other than that, good condition. This is a size 11 Israfil, or whatever you want to say it. Here's a size tag for any info you guys may need on these guys. There, you got it. Now, yeah, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so this is a new thing that they're doing. They give you the extra set of laces in this little cartridge package, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's cool. We're not even going to just mess with those. We're just going to leave them in the box. Here we go. Size 11. Woo! These are clean. I like these. Yeah, these are real clean. Size 11. This lacing thing is really weird, though. I don't know how crazy I am. But here it is, size 11 in the Israfil colorway. It's like a grayish blue in hand. On camera it looks a little bit lighter, but it is a darker kind of grayish blue, which is actually a nice color. It's got this the translucent stripes, got yellow tint to it, a yellow, orange, is a gold tint. Yeah, Adidas Yeezy on the insole, and a kind of, I wouldn't call it translucent, but it's a more like a brownish outsole. Not gum though, but definitely a dope colorway. I am a fan of this. Kind of similar to the Yeezy Zion pattern, but it does have this weird lacing system where it is just this little strap that you can, I guess it's like so you don't have to tie your shoes or anything. But it's kind of interesting. I don't know if I'm crazy about it, but yeah. But in order to get the other laces on, you gotta cut this, which I find is kind of stupid on the Adidas part, just because you can't go back to it if you want to just change it up a little bit every now and then. But that is what it is. Here's the other pair. These are DS size 11, if anyone was wondering. Yeah, and then the inside's got like this turquoise blue on the inside. Kind of looks gray, but it's like a turquoise kind of bluish. But it's a clean colorway in hand. As far as resale goes on these guys, it's going to be a little interesting. So for these, I'm going to predict these are going to be similar to the Zion pair. Currently with kind of like my capital funds right now, there's a lot of drops coming up. The Yeezy slides, you got Yeezy 700s, a lot of Jordan 1s. I'm going to invest my money into a quick local flip for around. I already have a buyer for $285, which I'm probably just going to take, because that isn't that bad for these. I'll just make my money, move on to the next release, make my $50. But yeah, I would recommend holding these for a little bit. If you do have the capital funds for the next releases, I think it'll be a good hold with the Zions, just to compare. I mean, I'm not going to get them out, but my Zions are back there with all my other shoes I kind of have in stock right now. But the Zions are a good hold. They predict they'll do similar to these, but smaller size the better the hold. But yeah, drop your comments down below. Did you guys manage to cop? And what are your thoughts on this new lacing system? I don't know about, kind of still iffy, but props to this for kind of changing up with another solid color, the 350 V2. And yeah, that's it for this unboxing. I'll see you guys next time on Nick's Kicks. Peace.